Did your forward collision warning light suddenly pop up on your dashboard? Wondering how to reset or fix it? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to diagnose, fix, and reset the forward collision warning FCW or pre-collision system malfunction warning. But before we jump into the reset procedures, it's important to understand what the system actually does. How the forward collision prevention system works. The forward collision prevention system, also called the pre-collision system or FCW, is a safety feature found in most modern vehicles. It uses radar, cameras, or both to constantly monitor the road ahead. If the system detects that you're approaching a vehicle or object too quickly, it will alert you with visual and audible warnings. And if you still don't react, the system may automatically apply the brakes to help you avoid or reduce the severity of a collision. It's an amazing safety feature, but like any electronic system, it can glitch, especially if the sensors are dirty, misaligned, or there's an electrical problem. Now let's jump into troubleshooting and resetting the warning. Number 1. Clean the front camera or sensor. The first thing you should always check is the sensor or camera at the front of your car. Dirt, mud, snow, dust, or even water spots can block the sensor's view and cause false warnings. Check your front grille or windshield, depending on where the sensor is located on your vehicle. If you see anything on it, wipe the area with a clean microfiber cloth. After cleaning, restart your car and check if the warning is gone. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. Number 2. Reset the system using the steering wheel button. If cleaning didn't work, look at your steering wheel for a button that controls the forward collision warning system. It's usually labeled with a car icon and lines in front of it. Press and hold this button for a few seconds. If the light disappears from the dashboard, the system has been successfully reset. This works only if there's no deeper fault, so if the warning returns, continue to the next steps. Number 3. Perform a battery reset. If the light still won't go away, try a simple vehicle reset. Open the hood. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Reconnect and tighten the terminal. Start the car again. This clears temporary electronic glitches and often resets the FCW system. Number 4. Check the fuse for the collision warning system. If the warning still shows up, check the fuse box. You're looking for fuses labeled FCA, collision warning, pre-collision system. Remove the fuse and inspect it. If it's burnt or broken, replace it with the same amperage fuse. After replacing, disconnect the battery again for 2-3 minutes to complete the reset. Number 5. Check for a software update. Sometimes the issue isn't hardware, it's simply a software glitch. Dealerships and service centers have the proper diagnostic tools to scan the system, update software, reset the pre-collision module. If everything else has failed, it's worth having them check for available updates. Number 6. Inspect radar or cameras for damage or failure. If the warning still won't clear, there may be a faulty component, such as a bad radar sensor, a malfunctioning front camera, misaligned sensor mounting. Even a slight misalignment can cause the system to fail. Number 7. Check for corroded wiring or a weak battery. Corroded wiring, loose connectors, or a weak battery can interrupt communication between the sensors and control modules. Low voltage, especially during startup, can easily trigger the forward collision warning. If your battery is old or weak, consider testing or replacing it. Number 8. Scan with an OBD to diagnostic tool. If none of the previous steps helped, use an OBD to scanner to read stored error codes. Common FCW-related codes include U0235 lost communication with front distance or radar sensor, C1 a 67 front radar sensor fault, C1 a 13 front camera recognition malfunction, U1000 U1001 can network communication faults. These codes help pinpoint the exact issue: sensor failure, wiring problems, module communication errors, or alignment issues. For full explanations of each code, visit our website, obdcode.org. If this guide helped you fix your forward collision warning light, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And hit the notification bell so you never miss future DIY car repair guides.